Hi, Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company here, and welcome to Quick Tips, where we answer your roofing question in under 60 seconds. Today we're going to be answering the question of whether or not homeowners insurance covers a roof replacement. So let's get into it. The short answer is yes. Most homeowners insurance policies do cover roof replacements, but only under certain conditions. If we've had a strong storm come through with either hail, straight line winds, or if you've had a tree limb fall on your roof, then you're more than likely eligible to have your roof replaced by your homeowner's insurance company. Homeowner's insurance does not cover your roof if it has been improperly installed or if it's at the very end of its lifespan. Depending on your policy, you usually have up to 1 year from the date of the storm to file a claim. Filing your insurance claim is just the beginning. The real battle starts when you try to get that roof insurance claim approved. For more advice on that, click on the link below and watch our video on how to win roof insurance claim battles. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company, and thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember, like and subscribe so other homeowners like you can get educated. We'll see you on the next one.